In front of me is POCO X8 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by launching an app you want to use in this view and accessing it in the background. Now hold it and click on this icon below two rectangles one. This way you can open your app as a floating window. Now, to move it around, hold those three dots at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its bottom corners and drag it as well. If you want to, you can click on the same three dots and this way check out all of those options. X1 on the right will close your window. This one on the left will help you to use it in full screen view right away. You can also access it in full screen view by holding this line at the bottom and dragging it down. Click on one of those if you want to switch from floating window to split screen view. Decide if you want to use this app at the top or at the bottom of your screen and tap on this second one. If you want to go back to floating window form, click on the same three dots and use floating window icon. If you wish to minimize your app, you can always tap on home button and swipe it to the side. Then tap on the bubble and tiny window to access it again. You can also close your window by using the same line you used in order to use it in full screen view, and this time swipe it up fast. I wasn't fast enough. Like that. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!